Welcome dear students in the maths class. Today we will see the angle bisector, how to draw the angle bisector and property related with the angle bisector. Okay. So firstly we will see the definition. An angle bisector is a line that divides an angle into two equal parts. Means suppose the angle is of 60 degree, then it divides into 30 degree. See, here I am draw the angle of 60 degree. Please all the students, how to draw the angle. If your angle is the right side, then take the below's measurement 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Mark here and draw the ray. This is the angle of 60 degree. Now take the compass, keep less than half distance, any convenient distance in the compass, and draw the arc which touch to both arms of an angle. See here. Then we got the two intersection points here. Give the labels. Suppose this is the angle ABC. So this first cutoff is a B1 and second is a B2. So take any convenient distance greater than half distance of an arm and draw the arc from the point B1 inside of an angle. See, now without changing distance, draw an arc from the point B2. Now we got the intersection point here. Join this point to the vertex of an angle, means here the point B. Give any label here, suppose O. So segment OB is the angle bisector of an given angle ABC. Let us we verify that whether they are divided into two equal parts or not. See here, put the center of the protector on the vertex B and check whether it is of 30 degree or not. Yes, it is exactly 30 degrees. See, means angle bisector, it divides the given angle into two equal parts. Now see the property of an angle bisector of a triangle. So firstly draw the triangle. Give any labels here. PQR. Now take the compass and draw the arc of an angle Q. Give the labels here, Q1 and Q2. Now draw the arc inside of the triangle from the Q1 and Q2 by taking any convenient distance. Then we got the intersection point here. Join this intersection point to the point Q. This is the angle bisector of angle Q. Now from the arc, again draw the arc of a small distance from the R and give the labels here, R1 and R2. Now draw the arc inside of the triangle from the R1 and R2 without changing distance. Join this intersection point to the arc. This is the angle bisector of angle R. Now draw the arc from the P. And give the labels here, P1, P2. Now draw the arc from the P1 and P2. Join this intersection point to the P. This is the angle bisector of angle P. These three angle bisector are passes through a single point, means angle bisector of a triangle are concurrent to each other. And this point is denoted by I. It is called as a in center. Understood? Means angle bisector of a triangle are concurrent to each other. Their point of concurrence is called as in center and it is denoted by I. Thank you.